A League of Their Own star Romesh Ranganathan has been lined up to replace Anne Robinson on Countdown after her shock exit. It comes days after it was revealed that the former Weakest Link star, 77, quit as the host of the Channel 4 show. 4. Comedian Romesh Ranganathan lined up to replace Anne Robinson on Countdown Credit, PA. 4. Anne joined the show in June last year. Credit, Rachel Joseph/Channel 4. Anne took on the role when she stepped into Nick Hewer's shoes in June 2021. She will leave after just a year, just months after The Sun revealed a feud with co-star Rachel Riley. Now the odds on who is most likely to take over from Anne have been announced, and it looks like comedian Romesh Ranganathan is 2-1 favorite. Betfair spokesperson Semra Swatham said, Romesh Ranganathan is the 2-1 favorite to take over presenting Countdown from Anne Robinson, whose clock has ticked down on her time on the show. Robinson is 11-1 to swap numbers and letters for Snakes and Spiders in I'm a Celebrity 2022 and 16-1 to take to the dance floor on Strictly Come Dancing this year. The online gambling company have revealed that he is shortly followed by Carol Vorderman, who starred in the show between 1982 and 2008. Names such as Fiona Bruce, Paul O'Grady and Kate Garraway are also on the list. But less likely to take over are Ben Shepherd, Rochelle Humes, and Philip Schofield, who are all 21. Anne announced her departure earlier this week. The star told the Daily Mail, I've had a blast hosting this wonderful show. And I stayed longer than I signed up for. Now it is time for an older woman to take the reins. I hope to I've encouraged TV bosses to realize that not all women at the wrong end of their 70s are in care homes playing bingo and watching conjuring tricks. In fact, the genius of Countdown is that it's a brilliant way to keep the brain exercised. I run 5K most days of the week. And I can now do an anagram at twice the speed I could this time last year. But I have grandchildren, a large garden and a home in New York, all deserving more of my attention. And will remain on our screens until this summer. 4. Romesh is the favorite to take over from Anne. Credit, Getty. 4. And will be on our screens until the summer. Credit, not known, clear with picture desk. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.